Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a great day. Today I'm going to show you guys another kit that I want to try to get completed and used up. Majority of stuff. This kit actually came in, I'm going to grab it really quick. It came in this bag that I got a long time ago from a scrap, what is it called? A scrap yard sale, crafty yard sale. So a lot of this I did, some of the things I did add, but a lot of this is from that collection, and it's been sitting in my stash for the longest time, and so I want to use it. And I actually already have a plan for each layout, the photos as well. So let me just go ahead and show you guys what this kit has. So these I actually added from my stash because I added a couple of papers to just kind of use as background papers from this. This is an old color box collection from Joann's, and so I have some stickers, I have some embellishment pieces just to kind of use up this collection and just use those, which I didn't even know I had until I found it in the paper pad. So these all came from this packet that I got. So some of the stuff is really used, but my plan is to incorporate everything into the layouts. So we have this Miss Caroline from My Mind's Eye, Brad's. I have some doilies that are cut in half that I want to use. This right here is like a pack of goodies. I'm not going to go too much into detail. This came with the collection. It was just like their scraps and you know, little things. Like there's some flowers in here. There's some tulle that actually seems like it's pretty fun to play with. So I'm excited to try that. And just like some paper clips, I think. Yeah, and just some flowers and stars, just a lot of little pieces that came with the pack. So gonna plan to use that up. I'm not big on rub ones for some reason, and these might be a little bit too old to use. So we might use these. I don't know. I might just throw them away. Who knows? They might be too old to adhere to a page. It also came with these crepe papers, and this is from the Storyteller collection. So I will be incorporating a lot of these into my layouts. And then also from the same collection, just this really cute sticker sheet I want to try to use up. And then these Pebbles ABC stickers, which came with the collection. I might add a few more stickers to it. So I have my photos, and then this is the paper. So I'm having this as one sheet. So this is going to be one layout that I'm going to be working on. This is going to be two layouts that I'm working on. So this one is going to be just these two. This one is going to be this page with the red background and like these really cute papers. And then this one is going to be these photos and this green and really pretty green and like pink polka dots on this cardstock sheet. And then this is the last one of this. And it's going to be this black, or this background. I don't know if you guys can see that. And then this blue and these pieces right here I'm going to try to incorporate with a little bit of stitching on them. They're really cute. So, another quick kit I put together, and I hope you guys enjoyed. I am looking forward to getting some scrapbooking done this month. So by having these kits together, I think it'll help me kind of organize my brain a little bit better. And like I said, with this, it's basically the same as my other kit. I'm going to be just trying to use up as much of this kit as possible with some scraps. Not really adding a whole bunch of embellishments because I really just want to focus on getting use out of these embellishments. So I hope you guys enjoyed this kit, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!